Ariel's eating peaches.
That is good stuff. Huh?
So good.
Okay, let Daddy hold it, huh? You're doing a good job, but Daddy's got to hold it. Please. Okay.
So good.
Good job. Ready?
Oh no.
Oh no, you made a mess. It wasn't Daddy's fault.
Daddy's so cute.
Come on, open up. Open it. Open it. Good job.
She's the sweetest thing in the world.
No.
Uh-oh.
No.
What are you doing? Look at that.
Nope. Let Daddy have that spoon, please. Can Daddy please have that spoon? Oh, you're so nice. Thank you. You're just really excited about these peaches. Huh?
Millions of peaches. Peaches
Put
for
that away.
me.
There we go.
There are millions of peaches. Peaches for free. Millions of peaches. I don't know what to do with them. I'm dancing.
I was making up words to the song.
No, isn't that how it goes? She's like, wait, I'm trying to get more in my mouth, Daddy. So good.
Okay, well, we're done here. I know.
Oh, she's so sweet.